Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products.
Today, we're diving into the Anwyll Mother's Day gift tags, the best Happy Mother's Day tags with ribbon available on the market.
These tags are perfect for adding that special touch to your gifts this Mother's Day.
These Anwyll Mother's Day gift tags are designed to make your gifts stand out with elegance and style.
Let's take a closer look at what makes them special. Each pack comes with 100 beautifully crafted tags, featuring vibrant floral designs and heartfelt messages like Happy Mother's Day.
The tags are made from high-quality 300 GSM white cardboard, ensuring durability and a premium feel. They measure 3.3 by 2.2 inches, providing ample space for personal messages.
Plus, they come with 2 pieces of jute string totaling 66 feet, allowing you to attach them easily to any gift. What sets these tags apart is their versatility.
They're not just for gifts. You can use them to decorate gift bags, boxes, flowers, and even craft projects.
The back of each tag is blank, giving you the freedom to personalize your messages.
The tags are easy to use, pre-punched for convenience, and the strings are strong and durable, ensuring they stay securely attached.
Whether you're preparing a gift for your mom, grandmother, or a mother figure in your life, these Anwyll Mother's Day gift tags are sure to impress. Their quality, design, and ease of use make them a must-have this holiday season.
Don't miss out on adding that extra special touch to your Mother's Day gifts.
Click the link in the description below to get your hands on these Anwyll Mother's Day gift tags today.